I did my research and I found 10 sites that pay African writers for submission. So I made a video previously where I talked about sites that pay writers, and some people reached out to me and said that I should give them specific sites for African writers, okay, because some of these sites, they have some kind of, they do not accept African writers. Yeah, so in this video I'm going to be discussing 10 sites that pay African writers. You guys, we're getting started in a moment. However, in case you're seeing this channel for the first time, I talk about writing and how you can monetize your writing career. So if you're interested in content like that, then you certainly want to click the subscribe button so that you do not miss out on my videos. Alright, so let's get into the video. First site is Contenttobine. Now this site pays up to $150 per article. Now this site accepts writers from Africa, right? So you can reach out, check out their website, okay, and then apply to join their team of writers. Okay, they pay $150 per article, alright, and just reach out to them, check out their website. I am going to add a link to all of the sites I'm mentioning in the description box. So later on, you can just go there and check out all the sites. Yeah. Site number 2 is called Statements. Now, Statements, they are looking for African writers, both African writers in Africa and outside Africa. So yeah, basically the focus is on entertainment, art, lifestyle, culture, pieces like that. And they would usually pay about $100 per submission. Site number 3 is called My Health Team. Now this one is specifically for medical writers. Okay, so if you write medical content, if you're into the medical field, then you want to check this out. They accept submissions about health, things that pertain to medical history. Okay, so their pay is from $75 to $300 per article. So if you are into medical writing, then check out that site immediately. Guidepost is next, and they accept faith-based submissions. Alright, so they'll pay you $250 per accepted submission. So go over to their website, check out their guidelines, what they require from you, and if you're interested in that niche, then put out your submission. They accept African writers. If you're into tech, you know how to fix technical problems, you want to write about the tech space, then check out Civil. Civil accepts technical writers from Africa. And now the mind-blowing part is that they pay as much as $500 per published article. So if you're really good with what you do, and you have a lot of knowledge about the technical field, then you want to apply for Civil's submission. Now another site is called Live Strong. Alright, Live Strong. Now we are back to the health industry. They accept stories about health, nutrition, publish medical pieces. So if you're in this industry, you want to submit a pitch. Next is AirB. Now, if you are a data scientist, data engineer, if you are all about analytics and tech, AI, you have knowledge about this, professional knowledge about this, then AirB is looking for you. Alright, now AirB pays a whopping $900 per published submission. Alright, that is for original pieces. But then if your piece is not original, they'll pay you about $450. The next site you need to check out is called Rest of the World Africa Desk. Yep. Rest of the World Africa Desk. Now, this site accepts news and reports on topics of interest across the continent. Alright, now they focus on Egypt, Nigeria, Kenya, and South Africa. So if you are in that region specifically, then you stand a better chance of getting accepted. Now they pay about $500 for shorter stories, but if you have a report, then they are ready to pay you $750. So yes, if you're in any of these countries, or if you're in Africa generally, then reach out to them. The next site is called the Sunday Long Read. And this site accepts non-fiction from writers in Africa. Okay, so if you have a non-fiction of particular interest, long-form non-fiction. Okay, so if you have a story and you think it's interesting, then you can reach out to this site. Now, the Sunday Long Read pays about $2,000 for every submission that they accept. The final site I'll discuss here is called popular woodworking. Now, if you make use of materials, if you use materials and you're good with that, right? If you do woodworking, engineering, if you're an artist, anything that requires you to use new material, okay, and then you can write on that, then you want to send in a pitch to the popular woodworking immediately. They accept pitches from African writers, and they pay anywhere from $1K to $3K per submission. That's it, guys. You have no excuse basically if you are an African writer and you are skilled in any of these industries that I've just listed out. Then you can reach out to them. I've mentioned non-fiction, I've mentioned for artisans, I've mentioned for professionals. Basically, no matter what category you fall under, you can reach out and make a submission. So start reaching out now. I'm going to leave a list of everything I've mentioned in the description box. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.